Hey guys, so today we're going to be making Oreo parfaits. I saw this on Pinterest. I thought this would be a really fun and simple no-bake recipe that would be easy for you guys to follow. So yeah, let's get started. So all you'll need for this recipe is some chocolate pudding, some Cool Whip, and some Oreo cookie crumbs and whole Oreo cookies. And of course you'll need a clear glass cup. And so right now I'm just spooning in the pudding for this first bottom layer, and I'm just smoothing it out. And now I'm taking the Cool Whip and I'm spreading out a layer of Cool Whip. And now I'm taking some Oreo cookie crumbs and I'm just sprinkling that all over and forming an Oreo cookie layer. And now I'm going back in with some more chocolate pudding, and what you want to do now is this is our final layer, so you want to put the pudding all the way to the top. And now for decoration, I'm just putting a little bit of Cool Whip, a little circle of Cool Whip, and then I'm going to place an Oreo and some Oreo cookie crumbs to decorate. And you're done! This is our finished Oreo parfait. I love this recipe because it's just so simple to make. It literally took me like 5 minutes tops, and it looks amazing, and it's also probably really delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should bake next. And my social medias are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!